Honorable Thomas Tayebwa, the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, the Secretary General of NRM, Richard Todong, colleagues, ministers, members of Parliament, the religious leaders led by the Right Reverend Onesmus Asimwe, the Bishop of Kigezi, and your brother bishops, and indeed all religious leaders present, the local government leaders in your respective capacities, all invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, allow me to welcome you on behalf of the organizing committee, National Organizing Committee of the Wealth Creation Tours. I would like to invite you to Kigezi sub-region and invite all the leaders here to give you a strong round of hand clap for sparing your time to come to the region to interact with the population. Let's welcome His Excellency the President and Mama to Kigezi sub-region. Secondly, Your Excellency, I would like to appreciate your visionary leadership and strategic guidance to all the leaders of Uganda serving in government and all the NRM leaders, including the private sector, because it has led Uganda to a clear path towards prosperity. To be specific, Your Excellency and Mama, Uganda is now in lower middle income status, moving towards upper middle income status and beyond. Let's clap for His Excellency the President for his concerted effort towards the economic stage in which we are in Uganda. Your Excellency, we have moved with you and Mama on this wealth creation program across the northern part of Uganda, which you completed, the eastern part of Uganda, which you also toured and completed, under the theme, securing your future through wealth creation and shared prosperity. We have witnessed the leaders from different regions give us reports of progress of NRM programs in their areas, ranging from development programs and those, Your Excellency, which you strongly refer to as wealth creation and job programs, job and wealth creation programs. Your Excellency, I would like to thank you for being a chief architect and a designer of programs uniformly implemented across Uganda without any discrimination. Ladies and gentlemen, we who are in the National Organizing Committee are here to witness to you today that the progress that the Honorable General Jim Wes was giving here has been given to His Excellency the President in all the regions which were named by the Honorable Anita Evelyn. And that means that His Excellency the President has played a key role in uniting Uganda. And I would like to call upon all the leaders here to continue ensuring that Uganda remains united. Lastly, Your Excellency, yesterday you assured Ugandans when we were in Rwanda of sustained peace and security. I would like to use this opportunity to call upon leaders here present to take advantage of this prevailing peace to guide our people to participate in wealth creation programs so that we can defeat poverty at the household level. And I want to thank Honorable Chris Baryomusi, the chairman of the Vice Chairman of NRM Western Uganda, for the statement which he has just made. And I would just like to reinforce that statement, Your Excellency, by saying, mbashaba abantu mwena bakigezi okwajira NRM hamwe na President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ni mwaka 2026. Omwaka ogurije. Next year. Ogurije. Omwaka ogurije. Your Excellency, the people of Kigezi have been so friendly to my team, and I want to thank them once again for that friendship. We shall keep in touch with you. At appropriate time, we will return to Kigezi to interact with you. It is now my singular honor and privilege, Your Excellency, to invite you to interact with the leaders of Kigezi. The floor is yours, sir.